Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to write first program in PowerShell. Are you ready? So let's get started. In the previous video, you will learn how to install PowerShell 7 on Windows. So if you didn't install PowerShell 7, so you have to go and watch the video. So let me check if I install PowerShell 7 or not. As you can see here, this one. So I installed PowerShell 7.4.6. So what you need, you need to install Visual Studio Code to write your first program on PowerShell. So first you should go and download Visual Studio Code. Just type Visual Studio Code download, and this is the official website where you can download. Okay, just click on that. You can choose your operating system, Windows. So I already downloaded, so let me install Visual Studio Code. Okay, and double click on the setup to install Visual Studio Code. It's very easy to install. Just follow the instruction. Next, next, next. Get this up icon and open and click next, install, and that's how you can install Visual Studio Code on Windows. So if you want to check the version of PowerShell, you can write $ps version table, okay, and enter. As you can see, this is the version of PowerShell which I installed on my Windows. Visual Studio Code has been successfully installed. Just click on finish. Okay, it will open the app, and on the left side you have to create. First you should actually add PowerShell on Visual Studio Code. So double click on the left side, as you can see here on this icon, and type PowerShell. Okay, PowerShell. So let me make it bigger. This the first one. This is from Microsoft. Just click on install. Okay, otherwise you cannot write a PowerShell program on Visual Studio Code. So I have successfully installed PowerShell extension on yeah, and now let me check the version. Okay, I have already installed, and let me create a first program. Click on here and open folder where you want to create your program, first program. Let me create here, drive C. I will create a folder here, Control Shift N, PowerShell, PowerShell, and yeah, select folder. So yeah, and now I can create let me, I trust this author, yes. So here you can create files. Okay, let me test.ps1, enter. So I created this PowerShell file, and let me write host hello world. Okay, and pause. And how to run it? It's very easy. F5. Okay, As you can see, this is the output. Hello world. That's how you can write your first program on PowerShell. What you need, as I mentioned before, you should install PowerShell 7 and Visual Studio Code. Then after that, you should add your extension. You can install it from here and write your first program on PowerShell. That's it, guys. I hope you will like it. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section and I will be very happy to help you with that. See you in the next video.